So something that I've been wondering since I purchased my 2007 Mercedes E550 4MATIC is the performance numbers of it. I looked up online and it says that the 0 to 60 mile per hour time is approximately in the 4.9 to 5.3 range, and the quarter mile time is around low to mid 13s. I was really curious if my car still performs at that level, and I thought I'd pick up something online that would help me determine that. So I'm actually going to be going out and testing the performance times of my car. I picked up this is called the Dragy, and I bought it online. It's around 150 bucks or so. Got it on Amazon. And I'll post a link of this in the description below, so if you want to check it out, check out the current prices of all that, you can. I haven't even opened it up yet, so we'll open it up right now. You can see actually I opened it up and it looks like it's blinking already. I did download the app for it, so maybe the app actually just automatically connected to it. I'm not really sure, but I guess the setup was fairly easy nonetheless. This is all it is. It's just a little GPS device, and it does have a micro USB port in it so you can charge it up. So you probably want to charge it up before you use it. So I'm actually going to plug it in for about an hour before we go out onto the road and test it out. Let's see what else is included in the box right here. You got your micro USB cable, which is handy to have that. And then there's these little, looks like little magnets of some sort. They're little 3M sticky magnets, because you want to actually put this somewhere in your car where it does have a view of the actual satellites. So that's definitely something you want to do. And then obviously we've got the instruction booklet, so you can read up on how to use it. You do need to use the app for it, so download the Dragy app. Let's go ahead and we'll switch on over to my car outside. We'll go onto a closed down road in Mexico, and we'll do some testing to find out the 0 to 60 times. And I don't know if I'm going to get fast enough to test the quarter mile times. I'll try to, as long as it's a safe area that I can do so. Okay guys, we are here and we just completed our long drive to Mexico, and we are going to be testing 0 to 60 and probably quarter mile time. I think we'll be able to get a quarter mile in. I'm going to be doing 4 runs. I'm going to do 2 runs where I power brake, where I hold the brake, rev the engine, and then release and let it take off and accelerate. And then I'm going to do 2 runs where I just press the gas and just go. I'm not going to actually give any preload to the engine at all. So we're going to see if those make a difference or not. I love the Dragy so far. I have it set up, and actually if you see right here, it magnetically connects right onto my speaker at the top right here, so I don't have to use the sticky pads which are included, which is amazing. So it does have these magnets that are built right into it. So totally cool feature, totally awesome that I can just mount it. It's perfectly even angled and rounded so that it fits around my speaker and my dash right there. I've got my phone set up here with the Dragy app. Now this app is just literally so easy to use. I just open it up and it just connects the Dragy and it automatically starts recording. So anytime when you're driving, you've got the Dragy with you, it'll just calculate your 0 to 60, 0 to 30, your braking, stopping, quarter mile, half mile, everything it just does for you. So even when you don't want to use it, if you have the Dragy open, it's just going to do it for you. So it's totally awesome. There's no hussing around. You can literally just go and do your runs, and then you can look at your data afterwards. So I'm just going to get onto the straight road here, and we're going to get going with a couple of runs. Here we go. First run, preloading the engine power. Let's get it going. Mark, get set, go.
30, 60,
'Gonna pull right on over here. It looks like we did a 0 to 30 in 1.95, a 0 to 60 in 5.13. We did the quarter mile in 13.4. So actually very accurate numbers compared to what the actual numbers are from the manufacturer. We're just gonna go down to the end of this road and then we'll do another run. We'll see what we can get. All right guys, I'm gonna preload the engine again. We're gonna do another run of 0 to 30 and 0 to 60. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
30, 60.
There we go. We'll back off. And let's see. 0 to 30, 1.86, 0 to 60, 5.01. So we actually had a faster run to 60 on that one. We're gonna go head on all the way down this road, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna do 2 more runs, and this time I'm not gonna preload the engines. We're fairly close to the 4s. It is possible if I did a few more runs that we could get into the 4-second range. All right, guys, we're all set for run number 3, and this time no preload on the actual engine. We're just gonna go. So it's kind of like a stoplight go. It's just slam on the gas and go. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go.
30, 60.
All right, 60. Slow it down a bit, and let's see what we got for this run. 5.16, so not nearly as fast as the 5.01 that we had before. Let's go up and we'll try it one more time here. We'll see if we can get another accurate run. And this is a fairly flat road. Okay, final run to 60. On your mark, get set, go.
30, 60.
All right, we hit 60. I'm gonna brake right away. Let's check out the data. We got a 4.90 to 60. Yes, we made it into the 4s. So our best run is our last run, 4.9. We had a 1.84 to 0 to 30. So 4.9, I am happy. I got the car under 5 seconds. I'm super excited that we actually got the numbers to match what the actual manufacturer claims are. Being a car that's from 2007, a lot of cars will lose horsepower, they're not tuned properly, they're not maintained properly, so they just aren't as fast as what the actual original claims were. But I was looking at tests that were done to my car 11 years ago when it came out in 2007, and they claimed a 0 to 60 in 4.9 seconds with a 13.3 quarter mile, and we pretty much hit those numbers dead on. So I'm very, very happy with the car. I'm excited that the Dragy is able to tell me these exact numbers. And again, this device is, I'm just amazed how cheap and how accurate it is. It is accurate all the way to a hundredth of a second. So if your car does 0 to 60 in 4.91, it might be actually 4.92. I mean, that's amazing how accurate you can get. I've seen tests of people going online and drag racing at the actual track with the full setup that they have there, the official quarter mile drag racing, and their quarter mile time was identical to what the Dragy says. So it's crazy how accurate this device is. I totally love it, and I think I'm gonna be testing out my Fusion and my CX-9 just for the heck of it. I know they're not that fast of cars, but I just kind of want to test them out and see how accurate the numbers are on those as well to what actual manufacturers have tested. All right, I'm gonna enjoy my long drive home back from Mexico, guys. So I will catch you on my next video. Bye-bye.